Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update video. Today is day number 916. So I haven't done one of these videos in a while for obvious reasons, but we're back. I wanted to get one of these updates out, and I want to do a little bit different format on these videos. So we'll go through the Bitcoin update. Also, feel free to drop questions on these videos, and I'll try to answer one of the questions every time I do one of these updates. And then at the end of the video, we'll have a little segment where we discuss like a topic or current news or something interesting going on, just so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. So let's get right into this one. Today is day number 916. I have $3,921 of Bitcoin in my balance. Current Bitcoin price, 43,962, just under 44,000, up 1.72% today, up about 7% on the week, up about 31% on the month. So a nice bounce there, and up 276% on the year. Let's go ahead and scroll down here, see what news we have going on. Marvel launching NFTs. There's a lot of news with the government and regulation around crypto right now. It just seems like the government is trying to do something with crypto and they don't even understand crypto. That's my thoughts on it, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. Doesn't really bother me. I'm just continuing to buy crypto. So Bitcoin owned 0.089187929. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint, tap confirm, and just like that, purchase today's Bitcoin. Tap done. Scroll down, check our balance here real quick. 0.08920931. Slowly building that up. Getting really close to 0.09 Bitcoin there, so that's nice. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,934.3934 divided by 916 days equals a 4.29x on my investment. What that means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.29. So going really well there. For today's topic, we got a couple things. Like I said in the previous video, I want to check out the Get Umbrel node. Maybe think about setting up a Bitcoin node so I can support the network and support decentralization. So I'm going to be looking into that. The other topic, last video, I kind of asked people if I should start like a Discord or a Telegram so that we can have further conversations there. Looks like everybody wants Discord. By the way, follow me on Twitter as well, ANDYPNGR. So I actually have a Discord already. I'll drop the link for that down in the description so people can join it. And that'll do it for updates this video. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.